The first wedding night, the heart was beating very fast. They made 3 serenades before going to bed. I'm Agata Sandrone, and I will tell you about the romantic world of the Sicilian women of a long time ago. Many of these dresses are over 100 years old. Here are long johns and embroidered skirts, the corset.
Il corsetto, le sottane che venivano messe prima di vestirsi. Questi invece sono delle cuffiette.
These are earmuffs, used by our grandmothers to go to sleep. This is the veil that was often put on to enter the church.
Andiamo in chiesa a caponudo, prima invece era obbligatorio entrare in chiesa con una veletta.
Si ricorda com'era vestita? Cosa aveva?
Sì, bell'abito di sposa.
Mom, how did you go to bed on your wedding night?
I had a nice nightgown.
No, Mom, I don't care about that. I wanted to know, when you get into bed, were you naked?
Nuda?
No, ma quanto mai?
No, but what are you saying?
Buonasera signora. Buonasera. Come si sta?
Good morning, Mom. What a beautiful day.
Signora, ma
How did you meet your husband?
sono
Ah, you want to know too much.
Ci feci capire a suo marito. Come ci feci capire a suo marito?
Fecero conoscere. Prima c'erano queste cose che...
E a lei ci piaceva subito
They
suo
brought him
marito?
home to me. We lived in the countryside. That's what they used to do back then.
C'era tanta gente.
Yes, we made the fuitina. And we had a good life. And we're still happy together after 53 years.
Suo marito è là ora?
Here we have women's accessories, fans, gloves, handkerchiefs. They also served as tools of seduction. Before, you could not easily interact with men, and therefore, signals were used.
I guanti, il donna, se li impugnava con la mano sinistra.
If a woman grabbed the gloves with her left hand, it meant she was happy. Instead, if she grabbed them with her right, it meant she was in a bad mood. The fan also had a language. Slowly agitated meant that the woman was married. Quickly agitated meant she was engaged. Placed on her chin was a green light. She was looking for a kiss.
Adoperato lentamente voleva dire che la donna era sposata, più veloce che era fidanzata, mentre poggiato sulle labbra significava che voleva un bacio.
Anch'io mi sono innamorata e tante volte, però delle persone sbagliate.
I also fell in love many times, but maybe of the wrong people. And anyway, I never got engaged, but I had many suitors. Hey, what are these big underwear?
They are the clothes of the first nights. Luxury women's clothes.
I understand. How time just changes.
Qua abbiamo delle borsette.
Here we have handbags and theater glasses.
Molto eleganti per andare a teatro, notate sono piccolissime. Poi invece abbiamo il parasole, le donne lo usavano.
These are parasols that distinguish the wealthy women from the peasant women. The whitest face, that is less sunburned, meant opulence and meant that the woman was not forced to stay under the sun for work. And she used a parasol.
Questi arnesi che possono essere
These tools, heated in the fire, were used to make curly hair.
riscaldati leggermente nel fuoco, venivano usate dalle dame appunto per mettevano i capelli e formavano i boccoli. Un set da manicure.
This is a manicure set, and this is an elegant cap for special evenings. These are wedding dresses that date from the early 20th centuries to the 1970s. And these are the inevitable hats that women never did without. They are often filled with feathers. So there, we took a trip into the romantic world of Sicilian women of the past. Mrs. Filippina also makes us go around her home. and shows us some photos.
Che prima si usava quando mi sposai, che all'Ottione.
This is the picture after 8 days. What does this mean? When you first got married, for the first 8 days, you didn't go out. You stayed at home. Let me see how you were after 8 days. Close at home with Angelo. Mamma mia.
Signor Angelo, sono salito sopra. So tutto. So tutto. Tutto.
Mr. Angelo, I know everything.
Not everything, everything.
If you give, we live. Splendid Sicily is the greatest cultural museum focusing on Sicily, whose exhibits are audio and video productions in English language. We give you the big opportunity to become a Sicilian, to become one of ours, to become an ordinary member. With just €80, you will receive special thanks on a video production and in the related page as ordinary member. So your name will be eternally remembered in the page of Sicilian culture. Join us.